Hey, fellow traders. It is now the end of the week, and today was one of my worst days, I would say, in terms of I shouldn't have had a lost day today, because it was a day where all of my parameters actually worked against me. And so I should have ended up with a gain, but again, I'm on a path to try to build a mechanical trading system, but the system actually worked against me in that if I had gone discretionary, I would have actually ended up with a gain day today. So thankfully it's a rare thing, but you know, it still hurts even when it happens. So we are going to start off with Nasdaq, right? So went in on Nasdaq in the morning and I went for a long and it actually hit my TP. The problem though is that because it was a long, if it doesn't get on the bid side and it only stays on the ask side is a 50-50. It might pick it up, it might not. On the bid side, it picks up everything at that price point. So because it only ended up on the ask side, I actually ended up not getting executed. And so it came right back. All that 20 points came right back and bumped me out at break even. Check it out. And then I went in again on another long on Nasdaq, and it got to about 15 points, which is usually where I then set my SL to break even, and it came right back and bumped me out again at break even. Take a look. And then I went in on a long on Russell, and it didn't actually work out, and it actually bumped me out for my first loss of the day. Take a look. And then I went in again on Russell for another long. And this one actually did work out. It was a consolidation play, and I was actually going for 50 ticks. And it did get to my 50 ticks, but I usually take about one more tick. So I usually take 51 ticks or a bit more to cover my commissions. It didn't get there, and it started to reverse and did a major pullback and bumped me out at a small gain, a small trailing gain. This one was really painful. This was the really painful one. I actually covered all my losses for this move, and unfortunately, I let it all go and it bumped me out, and I still ended up with a bit of a loss by the end of this trade. Check it out. I went in on a short on crude oil, and the crude oil short ended up also with a gain of 20 ticks. Take a look. And then now my next trade, at this point I'm on my sixth trade, went in again on Russell for short, and it ended up with a loss. Take a look. And then I did Nasdaq again, this time going in for a short, the same short I always take. But again, today was a bullish day for Nasdaq, and I got killed again for another loss. And finally, my 8th and final trade of the day, I went in again. It was a consolidation play on Nasdaq for a short. And again, it was a super bullish day for Nasdaq. And again, I got killed again for my final loss, which also hit my daily loss limit. Take a look. And then here is my balance. You know, again, today was not supposed to be this kind of day, but it ended up being like this. It does happen. My system worked against me today. I guess, you know, though it's kind of weird, but, you know, everything can't be perfect all the time. But have a great weekend. We'll talk to you on Monday. Take care.